Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Command and Conquer 3, Tiberium Wars Online. The official servers for this classic real-time strategy game are no longer active, but a dedicated community has created a fantastic solution. This allows players worldwide to continue enjoying multiplayer matches. We will focus on using C&C Online, a free, fan-made server that keeps the game alive. It's the most reliable and widely used method for online play today. First, you need to create a C&C online account on their website. After registration, activate your account via email. Then, create unique server login details, which are separate from your website login. Next, download and install the C&C online launcher. This essential tool manages your game's connection to the community servers. Ensure you save your login information for easy access later. Once the launcher is installed, run it and hook your Command and Conquer 3 game. This process integrates the launcher with your game installation. After hooking, restart the launcher, then launch Tiberium Wars directly through the C&C online launcher. Inside the game, navigate to the online multiplayer menu. Log in using the server account details you created earlier to connect to the community servers. With your game successfully connected, you can now explore the online multiplayer options. Head to the custom match section to find available public games. You can join an existing lobby or create your own game to play with friends. Remember, you can have up to 16 different online nicknames. Enjoy countless hours of strategic battles and relive the glory of Tiberium Wars with fellow commanders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.